on my side, stick to me like butter. One on my right and got one on my own. It's just me and my motherfucking bro. You don't trust y'all, so why would you trust? We saw Op, he ran away. We shot this man to plan today. I put these bitch in that hole, it's a fan today. I put the break, I may take me a Xan today. Block on my side, stick to me like butter. One on my right and got one on my own. It's just me and my motherfucking bro. You don't trust y'all, so why would you trust? We saw Op, he ran away. We shot this man to plan today. I put these bitch in that hole, it's a fan today. I put the break, I may take me a Xan today. My seats can get jammed today. Might pull up right in the Lamb today. Hit that boy up, got a 10 today. Did a drop out of the van today. Still make some time to spend bands today. Do what I want, what I can, okay. I'm in Dubai with some Birkin sandals.
What's going on, man? It's your boy Quad. Y'all know to subscribe to my Patreon. A lot of people been asking me, yo, how you start your clothing line? Yo, how you get your credit score up? Yo, how'd you repair credit? Yo, how'd you get approved for the SRT? How'd you get approved for the Malibu? Yo, how'd you get approved for the Ford? Yo, how'd you get approved for the Camry? The score up in less than 30 days. So forth. I'm doing this. I am starting my Patreon where I'll be breaking down everything I'm doing in sections, step by step, holding your hand along the way. Any questions or things of that nature that you want to learn, please shoot me a DM on Instagram at WaleCEO, and then subscribe to the Patreon where I'll be talking about it in more in-depth detail. It's your boy Quad, and we checking out. Gotta record my guy, man. I'm like hog today, man. It's 5'7". Alrighty, man. So today we got it here. My guy over there, he's doing what he's doing to this car, and we got the Malibu down the block. I don't know if y'all can see it, but we're getting the stuff installed. I don't know, like kill switch, I don't know, but yeah, we're getting stuff installed into the car, but we don't know yet what it is, so we just getting installed because I paid for it in the day. Things I want to do to this car so far. So right now we got the first mod will be tint. The second mod we're going to do is we getting stuff installed to the car. I really can't disclose what I'm getting installed, but yeah, probably take this off, get the light up that one. But I'm gonna hit y'all up when I get in the back of the car and everything's done. And yeah, no, I didn't even know that this front camera got 60K and 4K frames. So the SRT is being backed up into the shop and it's about to be done. I probably can make it on work on time. I ain't know that he pretty fast. I'm gonna get his number afterwards so I can get my Ford done. I can put a kill switch and the trackers in my Ford, and then as y'all can see, next mod is a kill switch on the SRT. He almost done, so I probably can make it work on time. I gotta be about 10:50. He's really almost done. So that being said, we're on our way to the Malibu. I think I'm gonna just do a car review of the Malibu another day. I did a oh shit, you know what I could do? I can do things I hate and love about my SRT, and then I'm gonna make that the next video. So like I said, man, it's POV. What's going on today? We got the trigger and the kill switch installed behind that, boy. So you know how we looking, man. We looking real good. And the next mod, what y'all think? No. But almost done, man. So that being said, make sure y'all lock in, subscribe to the channel, and I'll hit y'all up. What's going on, man? It's your boy Qua. back at another video, man. Today is a POV. I just switched the camera to the iPhone, man. Let me know what y'all feel. Let me know what y'all feel like. Let me know if y'all like this part better. I feel like the POVs on the phone better. I feel like when I'm doing vlogs, you feel me, I'm gonna, go between the camera and the iPhone. You feel me? I feel like the iPhone give off a wider look. That's not what the camera is giving. I feel like the camera is giving like more close up. You feel me? So, I'm gonna just stick with the iPhone when it comes to the POVs. You feel me? I feel like the POVs, y'all can hear everything. But the camera, y'all probably hear everything as well. I really can't talk shit on that one. I'm going to way to Mom Duke's crib. You feel me? About to pop up on her, see what they on, take these rims back in the house. Because I'll be changing them out Saturday. But I don't know, because I'm thinking about buying rims. So just never know. Just never know. You just never know. Never know. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but like with these rims, bruh. These rims is so terrible. I cannot wait to take them off. Riding with 22-inch rims, I do not recommend it. I'm just being honest. I just don't like the performance. I don't like how it gives. I don't like none of it. So I don't recommend it at all. But damn, I hate when people like to be fucking brand new. Like, damn, making me blind. But I'm gonna wait till tomorrow, dude's crib, man. I'm trying to cut up traffic. POV do what the POV supposed to do. Big, straight, big. It's just when you heading into the county. Oh damn, I can't talk shit. The light is green. Show would be a cop up here. For sure. For shizzle, my nizzle. Yo, I really be in my own world when I'm in the car with myself. I swear to God. Catch up. For shizzle, my nizzle. Gotta catch up to these lights when they turn red. So hungry. Yo, I don't know if it's me, but let me know if I'm the only one who like got this problem. You ever cut the I know I'm not the only one, but like I guess it's like a charger thing. Like with chargers, I don't even want to hear these fucking loud ass pipes some days. Some days I really enjoy driving my Malibu or my Ford. Like it's something about with like this car and like. It's something about with this car. Let me see. I don't know if y'all got this rule, but my joint 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You know what I mean? I don't know if it's just me, but it's something with this car. Like some days I just like driving my Malibu. It's peaceful. Like I don't gotta. Yeah, how loud this shit is. Put the sound back a little bit so our boys could hear it a little bit more. Hear the pipes and all that. And you know we acting bad. We acting bad tonight because we got in the track, y'all. You feel me? Feel me? I ain't a little bad. Just a little bit. Hopefully this truck moved up. You feel me? So I can cut in front of one of these cars. I'm gonna need the front bumper in this car soon. For sure. Why I keep saying that shit, y'all? Let me know how many times I say that shit in the chat. For sure. I hate getting stuck at this light. These lights up here be like 10, 20 minutes. No cap. No kidding. No kidding. No kidding. Oh no. No kidding. No kidding. No kidding. It was a lovely night, man. Oh, shit, I did the 3-second roll with this one, but I ain't done with this one. Hold up. This one 5.